Hi, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Nadine. Today we're here lunching at Deloitte San Francisco office and chatting about data optimization for accounting and reporting. All right, Jeff, let's get into it. How would you describe Deloitte's data optimization for accounting and reporting to someone who's never heard of it before?
A lot of people think accounting is all about the debits and the credits and the financial statements, and it is, but it's also about the complex data underneath it all.
There's massive amounts of underlying data and multiple systems and tools that need to be well integrated in order to produce accurate financial information.
Yeah, and even if a company's accounting isn't complicated, optimizing the underlying data actually can be. We understand the debits and the credits, but we also understand the programming languages and the data tools necessary to enable a company's financial reporting.
And that's the value we bring when we advise companies in helping them solve their operational accounting issues.
Maybe to make this a little simpler, we can use an analogy that is near and dear to both of us.
Food!
Take these ingredients, for example, or in our case, the raw data that sits within a company's accounting and reporting function. Data comes in many forms, and just like food, as you layer it together, it grows more complex. Our data capabilities allow us to advise companies on how to fit all of those raw ingredients together to achieve their financial reporting goals.
Exactly. In a lot of companies, there's often a big gap between their accounting function and the IT systems and tools that they use. And that's where our team comes in. Let's break it down a little bit more. Our teams combine accounting and data skill sets to streamline financial reporting processes, identify gaps, and integrate work streams.
Yeah, I like to say that we're fluent in two languages, accounting and data.
Another question we often hear is how exactly does data optimization fit into the accounting and reporting process at a company?
Yeah.
Well, first, we got our finance and accounting teams.
Those are my people.
Next, we have the data folks.
Those are the people driving the technology we use, like an IT function.
And last but not the least, we have compliance, our external and internal auditors and SOX teams.
Yeah, and here's where we sit, right in the middle. We're the ones that can bring it all together, kind of like we're doing with these ingredients.
Exactly. Our mix of accounting and data skill sets are what makes up the special sauce that bring it all together and create value for our clients.
Oh, that's mayonnaise.
What are some reasons that companies might need our help?
Yeah, it could be something as simple as a system limitation or a process that's too manual and needs to be automated. We can help companies design and implement as they solve these and other complex issues. Another question we often get, Nadine, is why Deloitte?
Well, not only is our team cross-trained between accounting and data skill sets, but we also have access to a vast network of professional resources here at Deloitte.
Bingo.
Plus, we work with companies of all different sizes across all industries, so we can keep up with fast-paced environments.
It's a really good point. I think it's that combo of the cross-training and our ability to bring it all together into one that sets us apart. And of course, our fun-loving personalities.
Of course. Now let's talk benefits. Our teams help make processes less clunky so that our clients can uncover efficiencies and insights, all while complying with the ever-changing regulatory environment.
Sounds like a win-win.
All right, here it is. The Nadine. Thoughtful, organized, and made with a combination of ingredients that pack a punch. Just like our data capabilities.
It looks beautiful. You nailed it, Nadine.
Thanks.
And here's the Jeff. Bold, inventive, and fun. The perfect balance of everything.